Hello friends, welcome to Yadnya Investment Academy. Today we are going to do a quantitative analysis of a large cap fund. The fund name is Franklin India Bluechip Fund. The method would be same as we are doing for our earlier videos. We are taking 3 years, 5 years and 7 years rolling returns. So we have taken the data from August 2008 till July 2018. First of every month we are taking those NAVs. From those NAVs we are calculating the 3 year, 5 year and 7 year rolling returns. So for 3 year rolling returns we have got 84 observation points. For 5 year we have got 60 observation points, and for 7 year we have got 36 observation points. From these observation points, means these observation points are nothing but the different rolling returns. So in 3 years we have what 3 years, 5 years and 7 years. From these observation points we have taken out the mean and standard deviation values. So these mean and standard deviation values we are going to use to means what we can say predict the probable low returns and probable high returns for this fund. So we'll start with the 3 year rolling return category first. So what we have done, we have taken out the mean and standard deviation values. So mean value of 3 years rolling return with 84 observation points is 47.64%, and the standard deviation for the same period is 27.13%. So the probable low returns are nothing but mean minus standard deviation. So 20.52% are the probable low returns this fund can give over the period of next 3 years, and probable high returns are mean plus standard deviation 74.77%. So whatever these numbers we are seeing, these are absolute numbers. So in next 3 years this fund can give returns between 20.52% to 74.77%. Means 20 point, if we convert these numbers into CAGR, 20.52% will become 6.42% and 74.77% will become 20.45%. So two more parameters we have taken in this analysis. Those are the lowest return and highest return this fund has given for 3 year rolling return period. So lowest return this fund has given is minus 2.18%, and highest return this fund has given is 136.02%. These are also absolute numbers. So if we convert these numbers into CAGR, so lowest return CAGR will become minus 0.73% and highest return CAGR will become 33.14%. So in 3 year category, this fund has given the lowest returns of minus 0.73%, highest returns of 33.14% per annum, and the probable returns this fund can give us over the period of next 3 years can be 6.42%, and probable high returns could be 20.45%. So now we will go to the second category, that is 5 year rolling returns. So we first will see what is the mean value of these 5 year rolling returns. So that is 91.48%, and standard deviation is 25.58%. So if we convert these numbers into probable low returns, mean minus standard deviation, so probable low returns this fund can give over the period of next 5 years are 65.90%, and probable high returns are mean plus standard deviation are 117.05%. If we convert these numbers into CAGR, the probable low returns this fund can give over the period of next 5 years could be 10.65%, and probable high returns could be 16.77%. And the lowest return this fund has given over the period of last 5 years rolling return from point of view 50.82%, and highest return this fund has given over the period of 5 years are 163.93%. These are absolute numbers. We will convert these numbers into CAGR. So 50.82 will become 8.57% per annum, and 163.93% will become 21.42%. So in 5 year category, the lowest returns this fund has given are 8.57%, and the highest returns this fund has given are 21.42%. The probable low returns this fund can give are 10.65% per annum over the period of next 5 years, and probable high returns this fund can give are 16.77% over the 5 years, over the next 5 years. So this after this we'll go for the 7 years rolling return category. So here we are having 36 observation points. So mean value for 7-year rolling returns is 143.64% and standard deviation is 51.10%. If we convert these numbers into probable low returns, those are mean minus standard deviation are 92.55% over the period of next 7 years, or if we convert this number into CAGR, 92.55% will become 9.81% per annum, and probable high returns are mean plus standard deviation are 194.74%. So if we convert this number into CAGR, 194.74% will become 16.70%. So the lowest return parameter and highest return parameter now we will see. So 7 years, in 7 years, this the lowest return this fund has given are 89.78% and highest returns 276.39%. If we convert these absolute numbers into CAGR, the lowest CAGR this fund has given for 7-year investment horizon is 9.59%, and the highest CAGR this fund has given for 7-year period is 20.85%. So this is the gist of this fund. Probable low returns and probable high returns for 3 years are 6.42% and 20.45% respectively. For 5 years, the probable low returns are 10.65% and probable high returns are 16.77%. For 7 years, the probable low returns could be 9.81% and probable high returns could be 16.70%. So now if we want to compare this fund with a benchmark, the benchmark we have taken here is Sensex. So we have taken HDFC Index Fund Sensex plan. So now we will compare all these 6 parameters like 3 years probable low and probable high returns, 5 years probable low and probable high returns, and 7 years probable low and probable high returns. So now we will compare that. So first 3-year category we will compare with Franklin India and HDFC Index Fund Sensex plan. So in 3 years probable low returns, Franklin India Bluechip can give 6.42%, vis-a-vis benchmark Sensex can give us 4.02%. So in this category, Franklin India can outperform Sensex. In probable high returns category, for 3-year horizon, this fund can give us 20.45%, where benchmark can give us 16.48%. So in 3-year category, this fund can outperform in the index by 2 to 5%. Then for 5-year period, Sensex can give us 7.98%. This Franklin India Bluechip fund can give us 10.65%. So here also it is beating it can beat the index by close to 2.5%. And in probable high returns, Franklin India Bluechip fund can give us 16.77%, where Sensex can give us 14.59%. So here also this Franklin India Bluechip can outperform index by 2%. In 7-year category probable low returns, Sensex can give us 7.36% returns, and Franklin India Bluechip fund can give us 9.81%. Here also the Franklin India Bluechip fund can beat Sensex by close to 2.5%. In probable high returns category, 16.7% can be the returns of Franklin India Bluechip fund for the next 7 years, where Sensex can give us 12.85%. Here also the beating could be as close to 4%. So overall, if we see, Franklin India Bluechip is looking good compared to the benchmark. Now you will say that why we are not comparing this fund with the other category, this large cap category funds. So friends, we are going to have a detailed comparison between all large cap funds. So once we will cover all these funds individually, we are going to have a big video on the comparison of large cap funds. So please watch this space for more such topics. We have one more announcement to do. We have launched our book 108 Questions and Answers on Mutual Funds and SIPs. If you are interested in buying this book, you can go to Amazon and Flipkart. We have given the link in the description. The other announcement is we have launched our Investedna.in website. On the website, we have launched a Create Your Financial Plan link. So you can see here, right corner, this is the link. You can click on this link and create your financial plan. We are not charging anything to make means what we can say is the fundamental financial plan you can make over here. So Yeah, we hope friends you would have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please share it with your friends and family members also. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it to watch such topics. Please continue watching our videos. And until then, happy investing. Jai Hind.